In our previous episode, we shared about tips on creating impactful interior spaces with an affordable budget for the size of a 3-story landed property. Would you like to see what could be done with a larger budget and where would the amount of money be spent at? My name is Alex Lee and I am from New Infinity. Today's episode on Design Seed, we will be sharing the higher end of the design budget and how this spending would amalgamate into a luxury lifestyle living. Sprawled across 47 pristine acres within the executive Bluewater estate, this private lakeside residences offers 278 immaculate superlinks, semi-Ds, bungalows and villas in a gated guarded development centered around a stunning clubhouse featuring social and sporting amenities. With lush landscaping and pocket parks liberally scattered across the development, each individual residence is a contemporarily designed oasis, with floor-to-ceiling windows, high ceiling and broad balconies, inviting residents to appreciate the beauty both inside and out. When we talk about luxury, what better means but to build a private swimming pool within your own premises? This swimming pool was elevated above the landscape level to keep the leaves and dirt away and at the same time allow for less excavation works from the surface of the landscape, yet keeping the ideal depth of the pool. Alongside the swimming pool, a generous-sized timber decking area allows for a fairly sized poolside party. Partial of the greens were kept to allow the kids to have space for some outdoor activities, while the adults could sit down and unwind reading or enjoying a glass of wine. The owners truly enjoyed the spatial expansion of this part of this property, especially in light of the recent pandemic where outdoor activities are mostly restricted. Due to the Malaysian weather, many would share concerns on which sort of timber decking would be appropriate and easy maintenance. If you would like to see a comparison video in regards to this topic, do share us your comments on the comment column below. In this project, our client decided to go with the wood polymer composite, which is also called the WPC decking. The WPC decking is also known as composite wood alternatives or synthetic decking. The wood polymer composite has quickly become the fastest growing decking material for residential and commercial use in the past dozen of years. Composite decking is an environmentally friendly lumber alternative that combines plastic and wood fiber. The pros of the WPC decking is weather and stain resistant, lightweight and easy installation. It is low maintenance and comes in quite a variety of colors. The awning above the timber decking area was intentionally built with horizontal louver strips in aluminium finish. This would allow direct sunlight to be shaded and yet not compromise on natural lighting to penetrate into the interior of the home. As you enter the property, a majestic imported marble named the Fior di Pesco is proudly presented at the main focal of the living hall across the entire TV feature wall. Paired with 2 lantern-like wall lights on both sides, this wall light creates a gleaming glow which complements the noticeable grains of the marble feature wall. The base cabinet was designed to have no visual of any wirings or power points and players. All the cablings and decoders are placed neatly inside the cabinets, which is complete with tinted glass doors which would still allow remote frequencies to be controlled. The dining area is staged in the center of the property, in which timber ceiling feature turns this entire centerpiece to a cozy yet alluring statement. The dining pendant light was carefully selected to ensure the ambient lighting not only highlights the dining table, but also flushed the lightings across the timber ceiling. This is to highlight its refined details. In spacious and empty floor plans, furniture selection would be crucial. This marble dining table and solid wood chairs with black leather seats both complements the space so well with its sleek curve and linear progression. The existing drawing-ware kitchen came with carpentry works. However, the orientation and quality of the cabinets did not suit the client's brief. The existing entrance connecting the dry and the wet kitchen was widened to allow for better workflow and maximizes the natural lighting for both the kitchens. An entirely newly designed kitchen solution was recrafted and rebuilt, coupled with premium Decton tabletops and functional built-in drawers and appliances. If you have been following our channel for a while now, you may have already come across this ultra-compact surface tabletop called Decton by Constantino. Decton is highly resistant to ultraviolet rays, which means it does not fade over time. It has high scratch resistance, low porosity from chemical agents, which makes it stain resistant. It is also more resistant to abrasion compared with granite. And finally, high fire and heat resistant, which makes it the perfect durable worktop for the kitchen. Unlike the standard cabinets that acts merely just for storage space, a functional kitchen should be well thought of. Appliances needs to be aligned to a spacious corner to allow sufficient room for movement, such as wine chiller, microwave oven, a hidden built-in fridge, and also a very functional tall pull-out ladder, all placed aligned to the side for fluent flow of accessibility. Details that could ease the lifestyle and convenience of the owners are also well thought of at the wet kitchen. A built-in dishwasher and an aluminium sliding tray that makes changing the gas tank an ease. A well worth mentioning hidden feature is this foldable pantry table, which is tucked in neatly within the customized kitchen carpentry. When extra worktop space is needed, this foldable top could be exploited for its usability. In some of our previous episodes, we have shared multiple kitchen designs that has unique functions of its own. It would be great to hear from all of you of all the sorts of kitchen topics you would like us to feature in our upcoming episodes. Top kitchen design, or perhaps tips of designing your kitchen. Please share your thoughts on the comment column below. There was an entrance to the powder room underneath the staircase, which we found rather awkward. We decided to design a unique hidden foyer to create a mysterious trail leading in an anticipation when guests are led towards the powder room. The remaining area underneath the staircase was designed to be a glass display cabinet with a storeroom located at the back. Moving on to the master bedroom, an elegantly designed headboard with earthy tonalities keep the rooms comfortable and cozy for the owners to dive into bed. Hanging pendant lamps to give a tasteful touch to the bedroom and clearing out more of the side table spaces for more easy cleaning and displays. The walk-in wardrobe may look subtle by its outlook. However, its details and functions should not be underestimated. The stretch of dressing table is cantilevered with customized jewelry compartment storage drawers, which allows the owners to organize and locate all her collection at ease. A suspended round mirror with built-in backlighting creates an even source of lighting, which is crucial for a dressing table. Within the wardrobe itself, optimized storage trays were designed to be in place. From basket drawers to pants and belt organizers, and a unique addition of a pull-down wardrobe rail rack, which makes accessing your clothes at a higher level completely convenient. The two kids' bedrooms were furnished with a unique fiber optic ceiling feature. When the fiber optic lights are switched on, a starry light effect spreads across the entire room, creating a galaxy of stars. When the day turns to light, the bedroom turns into an enticing experience for the kids. Both children's character and personality were taken into consideration in preparation to designing their bedroom. The son's bedroom has a more masculine and boyish style, and the sister's bedroom was designed with a feminine and fairy tale approach. Vertical louver screens which acts as the headboard and also divider to create an impression of a walk-in closet. This is a perfect example of how bedroom spaces could be well optimized. A controlled balance of study and play culture is nurtured within this humble abode. When homework is complete, the kids would have access to a gaming room which is built with a stretch of window bay daybed to allow the kids to host their friends occasionally. At the highest floor, a self-controlled space was intended. A space where the adults could use for their virtual meetings, a space that allows them to work from home, or a space where the family could spend some quality time with the kids, preparing for craft works and readings. The work desk completed in an irregular shaped marble top with tastefully designed stainless steel legs creates a stylish centerpiece statement the moment you touch base to the highest level of this property. There you have it, a home that depicts luxury with not just by its aesthetic forms, but also the beauty of it in terms of functional emphasis. There is no standard figure of how much one should spend in renovating their dream home. A home should meet its function and purpose. Optimizing the flow and usability of the property is the core goal. However, when a good balance of aesthetic and function is well integrated, your dream home could potentially be realized in style. My name is Alex Lee and I am from New Infinity. Don't forget to subscribe and click on that notification button to stay tuned in the loop of more compelling episodes. Thank you for watching.